The OnePlus Watch 3 represents OnePlus's latest venture into the smartwatch market, building upon the successful foundation laid by its predecessor. Set to launch globally in Q1 2025, this new smartwatch promises significant upgrades, including a functional rotating crown, enhanced health monitoring features, and powerful hardware specifications. The device aims to strengthen OnePlus's position in the wearable technology sector while addressing user feedback from previous models. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video to find out in detail whether the OnePlus Watch 3 could be a next-gen smartwatch or not. The OnePlus Watch 3 might maintain a familiar yet refined design approach. The most notable external change will be the introduction of a functional rotating crown, addressing a key limitation of its predecessor. Unlike the OnePlus Watch 2's crown, which rotated solely for durability purposes, the new model's textured crown serves as an actual input device, similar to the Apple Watch's digital crown. This addition promises to make navigation more intuitive and user-friendly. Based on a few leaks on the internet, the watch's overall appearance shows slimmer bezels while maintaining the basic design language that made the Watch 2 successful. OnePlus plans to offer the device in two color options, giving users some choice in personalizing their device. The design choices reflect a careful balance between continuity and improvement, suggesting OnePlus's confidence in its established aesthetic while making meaningful refinements. The OnePlus Watch 3 is rumored to be a powerhouse of technology, promising fast performance and smooth functionality. As for the processor of this smartwatch, it's expected to feature the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor. This advanced chipset could be paired with 2 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth operation even when running multiple apps. Adding to this is the potential for 32 GB of onboard storage, which offers plenty of room for apps, music, and data. These specifications suggest that the OnePlus Watch 3 could be well suited for everyday tasks, whether it's checking notifications, launching apps, or syncing effortlessly with your smartphone. But the rumors don't stop there. The OnePlus Watch 3's battery life might be another standout feature. Speculation points to a massive 500+ mAh battery, with some whispers hinting at an even bigger 631 mAh unit, potentially with a typical capacity of 648 mAh. This means the watch could store a significant amount of energy, which is crucial for keeping it running for extended periods. Combined with its rumored dual operating system, the watch could use this power intelligently, balancing performance with efficiency. If true, this setup might allow the OnePlus Watch 3 to last for days on a single charge, making it perfect for users who dislike frequent charging. The OnePlus Watch 3 may introduce many exciting features that could make it stand out. One of the most impressive upgrades is in health tracking. The watch now may come with better sensors for monitoring your heart rate. It even might have a special feature called ECG, which stands for electrocardiogram. This feature can help check how well your heart is working, which is very useful for keeping track of your health. However, the ECG feature might not be available everywhere. Different countries have different rules and certifications for health-related technology, so it depends on where you live. The watch is said to run on Wear OS 5, Google's latest smartwatch software, alongside a system called RTOS. This combination could be designed to make the watch both smart and battery efficient. Wear OS might handle advanced tasks like apps and phone syncing, while RTOS could focus on simple, everyday functions to save power. If true, this setup could strike the perfect balance between performance and battery life. Another intriguing rumor is the possible inclusion of LTE support. If accurate, this means the watch could connect to the internet, make calls, and receive messages independently of your phone. For runners, cyclists, or gym goers, this could be a game changer. Imagine streaming music or taking calls directly from your wrist. However, much like some Oppo models, this feature might only be available in select regions. The OnePlus Watch 3 has already passed several important certifications. For example, it received a TNAA certification, which is a big deal in China, and an FCC certification, which is important in the United States. These certifications show that the watch has been tested and approved for use in different regions. They also reveal some of the technical features that the watch offers, so we know it's being prepared for a wide release. The OnePlus Watch 3 is expected to launch globally in early 2025. It may be revealed at OnePlus's winter launch event on January 7, 2025. This event is already set to showcase the OnePlus 13 series and the OnePlus 13R, so it makes sense to introduce the new smartwatch there. However, OnePlus hasn't confirmed if the Watch 3 will be part of this event, so it could also come later in the first few months of the year. As for the price, OnePlus hasn't shared official details yet, but we can guess based on their past products. The OnePlus Watch 2 was priced at $299, offering premium features at a fair price. The Watch 3 is expected to have new features like a rotating crown, ECG, and possibly LTE connectivity. Because of these upgrades, the price might go up a little, possibly landing between $299 and $349. The OnePlus Watch 3 looks like it's going to be a solid upgrade rather than a total game changer, and that's not a bad thing. It's adding useful features like a rotating crown, better health tracking, and possibly LTE. At the same time, it keeps the good stuff from the Watch 2 that people liked. The price hasn't been announced yet, but OnePlus is known for offering great features at reasonable prices. If they stick to that plan, the Watch 3 should be priced to compete with other mid to high-end smartwatches while giving good value for money. Overall, the Watch 3 seems like it could be a great choice for people who want a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch that doesn't break the bank. Whether you're a OnePlus fan or just looking for a reliable smartwatch, this one might be worth checking out when it launches in early 2025. It may not change the smartwatch world, but it sounds like a well-rounded option that could be useful. So that was all about the OnePlus Watch 3. Thanks for watching.